order a CBC and a chemistry, right? Standard blood test. Potassium comes up, sodium comes up, chloride comes up, and bicarb comes up, but magnesium doesn't come up. And so it's like overlooked. People don't even think about it. All these minerals are tightly between specific ranges. So now magnesium is like crazy. It may be the most important. It controls potassium and calcium and sodium or balances. It helps. It's part of the major control of it. It's involved in over 300 enzyme systems. Enzyme systems, not just enzymes, enzyme systems. It is how we make energy. The ATP ACE, the enzyme that takes off the ATP, the terminal phosphate group, and allows free energy to come through, right? Should be called magnesium ATPase or magnesium potassium ATPase. That's what they are. Because remember, minerals are the batteries of enzyme systems. What are enzyme systems? Enzymes are the workhorse of nature. They are how nature exists. That's what enzymes are. Okay? So now, a 36 with 21 zeros after it is the number of chemical reactions that are going on in our body every second. Every second. Septillion. Every second. And each of those is mediated by an enzyme. And those enzymes are enzymes are catalysts. They make things work. You got two things that are bouncing around and they might join once a week. You have an enzyme in there, it'll happen 1,000 million times a second. Right? That's how biology exists, because of enzymes. Well, enzymes need to get their energy somewhere, and their energy is because of the mineral associated with it, whether it's selenium, magnesium, manganese, cobalt, molybdenum, potassium, calcium, doesn't matter. Whatever is associated with it is what gives the life, the energy to it. Okay, that's why minerals are like exceedingly important. Anyway, most people are low on magnesium, just like they're low on iodine, right? So, so in addition to magnesium being required to make energy, it's also how the DNA and the RNA replicate, because you're making 37 million new cells per second. You understand that? So you got all that requires magnesium, right? And then, in fact, if you took a look at it, if you understood what magnesium does, you'd understand that almost every symptom, every complaint that someone has could be attributed to magnesium deficiency. It's pretty incredible. It's pretty incredible if you understand what magnesium is. But when it gets very low, you wind up becoming nothing. You can't function. You become your brain doesn't work. Your heart doesn't work. Nothing works. Okay, it's essential. Okay.